Welcome to our channel. Sharing Netflix access without sharing your password keeps your account secure while allowing others to watch. Here's the simple way to do it. Step 1. Log in to your Netflix account through a web browser using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Netflix homepage. Step 3. Select Manage Profiles from the drop-down menu that appears. Step 4. Click the Add Profile button to create a new profile for the person you're sharing with. Step 5. Enter a name for the new profile and choose an avatar or profile icon. Step 6. If the profile is for a child, check the box for Kids Profile to enable age-appropriate content filtering. Step 7. Click Continue or Save to create the profile. It will now appear on the main profile selection screen. Step 8. The person can access Netflix using your account email, but will select their own profile, keeping their viewing history and recommendations separate. Note that Netflix has household sharing rules you should review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.